driving home right now from Vancouver, past Merritt, and this is on the side of the road. I've called star 555, but this thing has probably increased 10 times size, and they're going to meet right there in the middle, these two sections. When it does, it's just going to go. It's freaking insane. Somebody take Castanet and Kelowna Now and Global on here. Get some helicopters. Right now there's nobody here yet. We've called in, but it's not happening. This thing's gonna go up this hill like crazy. The heat coming off of here is insane. It looks like could have started from a bottle. It was all from that bottle with a bunch of flames coming out of it. Oh man! And when I came, it was just right there, just this little section. Unbelievable. Just like that.